Love you.
Love ya.
We're going to DC! Woo!
We've made it to, I think it's called a Hampton Inn, but we could fact check that later.
What did you call it?
A Hampton Inn.
No, that's
It's not a Hampton Inn?
Bruh.
Oh wait, it says right here. Residence Inn. Believe it or not, Judah has a slight fear of elevators, and I have a slight fear of doors. You don't know what's behind them. It could be anything.
they don't have mirrors.
A murder? A monkey?
Judah's gonna take us on a tour.
Come on. So follow me. Welcome. It's a nice fancy glasses.
The past stared at death, and it stared back. Standing fast in the light of the word. Shotgun blast was the last thing I heard. Trade my Yankee Tanner for a southern trailer. Trade my rolling dice for the dollar. Salvation, all across the nation, all across the nation. I am suffering under the weight of eternal glory. For I ask to know just what I need. You make me to lie down in pastures green. So I lift up my hands and I'll get down on my knees. Raise my mind to you, 'cause it's your face I want to see. I've walked so many miles down empty streets and never once looked up from my 2 feet. But you make the deaf to hear, and you make the blind to see the truth in you, and the truth will make me free. You looked me in the eye on Calvary, forgave me when I nailed you to the tree. Though it's true that I have strayed, upon your heart I am portrayed. And when I lose my way, I'll seek myself in thee.
gentle breeze and the sunrise in the east. I'll get up and I'll dive into the sea. The nets are overflowing, and there's one place that I'm going. I'm heading straight to you, where there's a fire and a feast. The river laughs and tumbles past my knees, as fresh and clear as I have ever seen. There's tall cedars on the shore, and there'll be peace forevermore. For I'm a weary man, and your glory is just the thing. The evening light shines golden through the leaves. I'll close my eyes and I'll drift off to sleep. You hide me in your wings, and I don't want for anything. For your words are true and your grace is honey sweet. I'll forever sing how good you are to me. Oh, how good you are, yeah, you are all I need.